So hey Blooms! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, it's October 2. It's exactly 9 p.m. here in the Philippines. Wow! So BINI will release their official music video of First Love. Oh my gosh! So this is gonna be exciting, of course, and disclaimer lang po sa mga bago sa channel na to. Wow, akala mo sobrang tagal niya na. So, at first video, I'm not doing any pauses. I don't wanna pause it because gusto ko tuloy-tuloy yung pinapanood natin, and yung first reaction ko ba, yan, gusto kong ma-record yun. That's the essence of this channel. So, minsan, nagpo-pause ako if something caught my attention, but it still depends. So, yun lang. Disclaimer. May pa-disclaimer. And, on the second play ng video, ako na lang yun. Hindi ko na siya nire-record. And that's the time na dino-double check ko or I'm checking all the details na gusto kong makita. Pero sa akin na lang yun. So, 10 more seconds na lang. Ayan. So, mag-start na. Whew, let's go. Kaya natin to. And we are all so excited. Mananahimik na ako. Ang lakas. Oh, let's go, Gwen. Okay, Jo.
You could be my first love. Getting cute, seeing you in a minute. Gusto na kita.
Is that Mika Lim?
Ganun lang talaga when you like somebody. There ain't nothing wrong if you need
Is it Aya?
somebody.
May kaya niyo.
And they ship it. We give them a 90s love team feeling. Ganun lang talaga when you like
Oh,
somebody.
my fuck. Oh, let's go, Aya!
Feeling adventurous every
Si Aya yun, di ba?
Puso'y sa'yo dahil I know it's true. Wala nang iba para
Oh my
sa'kin but you.
gosh. Ang dami nila.
No one else but you.
Let's go.
Kinikilig pag magkasama.
Ay, si Aya talaga to eh.
You could be my first love. You could be my first love.
Ay, let's go, Mom!
Kinikilig pag
Ay,
magkasama.
gusto ko yun.
You could be my first love. You could be my first
Trikla is there. Let's go.
Now my phone won't stop ringing. Gonna love
Ay,
like
yeah.
ang laman ng
Ganda.
panaginip. Love it when you look
Let's go,
my
She.
way with a smile so sweet. Oh, you
Mga
make me
Cupido pala to.
believe. Feeling adventurous every
I love it. It's near. I love that.
know it's true. Wala nang iba para
Let's go.
sa'kin but you. No one else but you. First love, kinikilig pag magkasama.
Ay, grabe naman ang Diyosa.
You could be my first love.
Oh, I love that. Oh,
Kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw gabi na
labas lahat ng bading.
You could be my first love. You could be my first love. We want your first love.
Yes.
To just enjoy the fun. Basta di ka sasalo. I'll give it my all. Promise me.
Stacy. Oh my gosh.
Ang tadhana nating totoo.
OMG.
First love, kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw gabi na aalala.
Who was that, Mika?
You could be my first love. You could be my first love.
Hey.
Araw gabi na aalala. You could be my first love. You could be my first love.
Wow. Wow. Nakita niyo yun? Kung may mata kayo, nakita niyo yun. I love that. I love that.
First love, kinikilig pag magkasama.
It's Taglish.
Araw gabi na aalala. You could be my first
Another new concept, of course. Is there anything? What flames? Let's go. Wow. Is there any connection on your next release or something? So that's it. I think that's it. Oh my gosh, I love that. So, Beanie is really my first love in P-pop and in any group. Kasi sila lang talaga ang kumuha sa akin para mabaliw ng ganito. Ang OA. So, that's the official music video of First Love. I hope you enjoy it. And of course, on my second time na panonoorin siya, hindi na kayo kasama dun. Manood kayo ng sarili nyo. Stream First Love. So, yun lang. I hope you enjoy it. And see you on my next reaction video. Bye!